Makita BTD142 18 volt compact lithium ion series. Smaller battery, easy on and off. Very light impact driver, 2.9 pounds, very compact size, 5 3/4 inches from one side to the other. The power rating of this by Makita is 1280 inches per pound, and the speed when using the variable speed trigger is 0 to 2800. It delivers 3200 impacts per minute when it's drilling, and it's got a 1/4 inch quick release hex shank. Very nice lead with an afterglow effect. 10 seconds after I let go, the lead is still on. 2 translucent plastic parts on the sides that give it a wider angle. Very nice feature. 3-year warranty by Makita. And come and see our power test. I will now start the power test, the 30 hex bolt test. I will start timing it right now. That was 3 minutes, 2 seconds, and 55 microseconds, and the loudest sound we recorded was 102.6 decibels in our power test to drill 30 hex bolts into this plank, double plank of 2x8. It's dead. We finished. We drained the battery. I just counted. We have 54 hex bolts that were placed in this plank of 2x8 using the Makita BTD142. Now I'd like to check how the Makita BTD142 handles smaller screws. Fine work. Just see how it handles. Okay, the power is definitely manageable. Use a bigger screw, Phillips. Down, we'll start timing how long it takes. We'll get back to you when the battery has charged. It's now 17 minutes later and the battery isn't charged yet. We'll get back to you soon. 24 minutes 44 seconds for the battery to charge. Green light is on.